When your Sceptre 240Hz monitor won't turn on, there are several common causes and systematic steps you can take to diagnose and fix the problem. The most common causes include power supply degradation over time, capacitor failures, especially in models manufactured between 2022 and 2024, firmware bugs affecting power management, and cable compatibility problems with high refresh rate displays. First, check the LED status light on your monitor. No light indicates a complete power failure. A blue light means the monitor is active, while red or orange typically indicates standby mode. Next, thoroughly inspect your power cable. Look for any physical damage, kinks, or loose connections. Make sure the cable is securely connected at both the monitor and wall outlet. Test the wall outlet with another device to confirm it's working properly. Test the power button thoroughly. Press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, then try multiple short presses. Check if the button feels stuck or unresponsive, as physical button failure is a common issue. Finally, verify all connections by disconnecting all video cables and trying to power on the monitor without any inputs connected. Then reconnect cables one at a time and test with a different cable if available. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, the problem may involve internal components like capacitors or require more advanced diagnostic procedures. For advanced diagnostics, start by testing your power adapter with a multimeter. Sceptre monitors typically require 12 or 19 volts DC output. Next, perform a display connection reset. Disconnect all video cables from your monitor, then power it on without any input connections. This helps reset the display handshake process. Inspect the capacitors on your monitor's power supply board. Look for signs of failure, such as bulging tops, leaking electrolyte, or discoloration. These cylindrical components are common failure points in Sceptre monitors. If your monitor still powers on but behaves erratically, try a factory reset through the on-screen display menu. For firmware recovery, hold both the power and menu buttons simultaneously for 30 seconds. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider professional repair. 34% of Sceptre monitor warranty claims are power-related, with repair costs typically ranging from $45 to $85. To prevent future power issues, use a quality surge protector, maintain proper ventilation around your monitor, and perform regular cleaning to remove dust from ventilation areas. These simple steps can significantly extend your monitor's lifespan.